these are the top lenses that they use on food photography. So I base this on research in the Google and also the some of the feedback of our customers. Many photographers struggle with choosing the right lens for food photography, often leading to disappointing result and missed opportunities. So, and guys, on this vlog, I'm gonna give you the best lenses they use for food photography. So, without further ado, but again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So, guys, let's start now, guys. The first one in the list is a prime lens. Yeah, prime lens. Most of the time, they use these two prime lens, the 35 millimeter and the 50 millimeter. But most of the time, when I check all the photos, mega data, yeah, I check in the website pixels.com. Check all the photos there. You can check their website. They have a good sample photos for food photography. You can get some idea. Yeah. And, yeah, most of the lenses that they use is the 35 millimeter focal length. So, yan. 35 millimeter, either 1.4, 1.2, or 1.8, doesn't matter. As long as you have a blurred background, so, or best bokeh for your food, then 35 is a good one. Again, prime lens, either 35 millimeter or 50 millimeter, either 1.8, 1.2, 1.4. It depends on the camera's manufacturer. If you have Canon, Sony, Nikon, so Fuji, so depends on the camera. But again, a prime lens like 35 and 50 millimeter. Next is the macro. Yeah, macro lens, guys. They're using a macro lens like for details, closer shot, 1:1 magnification, or the closer or more details from the food. They usually macro lens, like such as 90 millimeter from Sony, 100 from Canon, and 100 also I think 105 from Nikon. So Fuji, I think they have 60 or 90, but depends, guys. So again, also the macro lens depends on your camera manufacturer, like Sony, Canon, Nikon. They have a different focal length from macro, either 90, 50. But as long as 1:1 magnification and macro, that's good for food photography. So next, guys, is a zoom lens. So they're using most of the time a 2470 for full frame, either 2470 or 24105 in full frame. Regarding crop frame, you can use 1855 or 1755 as long as you have a good aperture like 2.8, so it's fine. Again, the zoom lens from Sony, Canon, and Nikon, they have various zoom lens. Or you can go also or check the Sigma, Tamron if they have zoom lens that fit on your cameras from Sony, Canon, and Nikon. So guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check the price and availability for our lenses from Sony, Canon, Nikon, Fuji, Sigma, Tamron, and Samyang, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So yan, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.